Hey, it's Hippie H&H Racing Services Bad Back and Knees Club on YouTube. Man, I'm getting to do something today I rarely get to do. I'm actually working on some of my stuff. Hey, I know I heard a guy the other day going on about how difficult it was for him to change the valve springs out in the head. I have already done this head. No, you don't get to see it. Protest me. Buy one. It's the only way you're getting in my head. But all that being said, what I do with these 18 and 22 pound springs is I zip tie the little suckers down and I put them out like mouse ears. See, it looks like Mickey kind of, if you want it to. And that way you get clearance around the bevel here. Then you can drop your caps on and very easily put your wedges and locks in and set that up. I got a little bitty pair of cutters that I use for a lot of stuff, but particularly this. They actually live in the engine box. And anyway, I'm going to keep you updated on this build. Got a bunch of ARC parts laid out and a new Dynacam for it. And I'm doing that, but I don't have a camera person today because I'm all by myself. I'm in the shop all by myself. But anyway, that is what I got going on right now. And when I go to do the next piece of this thing, I'll update you. All right, man. This Hippie out.